If you're looking for some cute, aesthetic, Pinteresty, affordable finds, then you have come to the right place. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is Roshni. I'm glad you could join me. In today's video, it's gonna be massive cute Temu haul. Soon as I moved from India to Dubai, everybody is talking about Temu. I mean, I wanted to know what the fuss is all about Temu. They say Temu is cheaper. So I thought I should try myself and let me figure it out. It is my first order and I've already loved and opened all my packages. While everybody was talking about Temu, I wasn't expecting that the items would be so much good. I'm surprised. Like some of the items are really good. We'll see all the cute stuffs that I bought, from kitchen to home decor to home utilities, from fashion and accessories, from jewelries to organizer and storage stuff and whatnot. I'm pinning my code on the screen over here, which you can use for extra discount offers and coupons. So yeah, you can copy this code over here and paste it on the Temu app, and yeah, you will see all the amazing coupons and offers for you to grab some amazing items. I'll be linking all the product links in my description box below, so maybe you can check out all the links, and also my discount code which you can use for your further online shopping at Temu. Alright, let's jump right into the haul and let's start off with one of my favorite finds from Temu, and it is jewelry. I got these 23 pairs of statement earrings in such a steal deal. Just a pair would have costed me so much from somewhere else. These are full on fashion statement, bold, eye catching, and totally on trend. I'm obsessed with the chunky gold, playful shapes, and designer inspired vibe. Whether you're dressing up a basic outfit or going all out, these pieces can instantly elevate your look. So affordable. Next up is this gorgeous 4-piece necklace set. There's two classic pearl strands, one sleek golden snake chain, and the other piece that instantly dress up any neckline. It's giving elegance, minimalist, and clean vibe. Okay, another neck piece I've got is this vintage luxury on a budget. It's a twisted snake bone chain with that perfect golden tone, super sleek, super timeless, and super minimalist. This is the kind of piece that instantly pulls your whole outfit together, effortless and classic. I love how it layers beautifully without being too loud. Major yes from me. Now this one is Y-shaped long neck piece in gold plating. The tassel detail is so chic, giving that modern elegance that can work with any outfit, casual, dressy, formal fits. Superb quality. How cute is this 4-piece stackable bracelet set? I'm loving the textures. I can wear them all together or mix and match depending on the outfits, and the best part, they can go with any kind of outfits. Honestly, such a good find. This multi-layered bracelet is so trending right now and everyone is stacking up their jewelry pieces with this one, so I'm very glad that I was able to find it on Temu in just 3 dirhams, which is so cheap, and the quality is really amazing. The intertwined gold elements make it look super rich and textured. Next up are these gorgeous 5-piece eyewear set, and it's such a steal deal. All these 5 pieces costed me just 16 bucks from Temu. It's such a steal deal and such a vibe. They are total street style, trendy, lightweight, and super wearable, super bold. Whether you're going for a chic, edgy, or retro look, there's a pair in here for every mood. I bought a bunch of skincare tools too that I wanted to include in my skincare routine. So this is facial and eye ice roller. It's made of silicone, super gentle. Just you have to put water in it and pop it in the freezer and you're good to go. And it helps in reducing puffiness and gives your skin that fresh and awakened glow, perfect for any morning or evening self-care movement. Next up is this gorgeous 4-piece jade beauty set, all for face, neck and hair care routine. I will be using in my regular skincare regime. Jade rollers are for helping the serum absorb right into the skin. There's gua sha that helps in tightening and facelifting. There's jade comb for relaxing hair scalp massage. Up next is this acrylic palette. I will be using it for mixing foundation shades and the quality is very sturdy. Okay, makeup lovers, this one is for you. This is by brand called Mange and it's 20-piece brush set that is everything. This set has come in a cute flannel bag, as you can see, and there's 18 pro level brushes for foundation, eyeshadow, blending, concealer, eyeliner, and there's a makeup sponge too, like literally everything for makeup. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this set is a total game changer. Also, the quality is really amazing. The bristles are really soft. Next up is this 360-degree rotating makeup organizer, and it's like perfect for bathroom vanities or a cute display set on your vanity or dresser. It looks so sleek while keeping everything organized, like your makeup to skincare bottles to lipsticks, literally everything. Organization goals unlocked with this 14-piece clear drawer organizer set, and as you can see, it has come in multiple sizes. I love that they are super sturdy, clean and clear plastic, making everything look so neat and aesthetic. Perfect for keeping everything in place like makeup, your food supplies in fridge, kitchen utensils, office supplies, stationeries and even bathroom supplies. So I am using these in placing my makeup and vanity intact and some of its pieces in shelving bathroom supplies. I bought this another plastic storage with handles which is better quality. If you're into watches and own lot of collection, this fox leather display gives you that high-end feel and luxurious while showing off your watches on display. Next, I bought this 360-degree rotating makeup brush holder. It's made of polished plastic and I'm just installing it with its rotating stickers and it's ready to spin. Perfect for keeping your brushes or anything vanity intact. If you love your jewelry as much as I do, then this is a must-have. This is 3-layer jewelry box. It's a large capacity drawer style case that keeps all your pieces like earrings, rings, necklaces, pendants, bracelets perfectly sorted and easy to find. And the design is also super sleek and looks so pretty on any vanity or dresser. These foldable storage are a total home organization win. It's a durable woven fabric material perfect for storing bedding, clothes, pillows or blankets and can be placed right in your closet or under the bed or on open shelves. So likewise, I have already stored my extra blankets, bed sheets and pillow covers inside. Next, I bought this plastic tissue box for room decor option also. It is easy to refill, it looks super stylish and super aesthetic. These pampas grass are totally on trend and add that boho touch to any space decor. These are natural dried and so soft in the shades of brown, white and beige. It's perfect to place it on your coffee table, shelf or any vanity. How cute are these mini boho ceramic vases? It's a set of 3. It has got that matte finish and minimalist curves which makes them perfect for any table centerpiece or side table decor or any shelves. These decor pieces are so in right now, so I am placing the pampas grass bundles on each of these ceramic vases and placing it on the TV table. Look at that. Next, I bought this golden oval shaped polished steel vanity tray. It's for that aesthetic room or bathroom decor. These boho style curtain tie backs are such a dreamy little detail. You get 2 pieces with delicate fox pearl accents that add a soft romantic touch to your space. Perfect for tying flowing curtains and give that effortless style look. Next, I bought these 3-piece canvas art set with vibrant watercolor leaves and delicate butterfly details. It brings a soft abstract vibe that's modern yet totally inviting. The colors pop without overpowering, making it perfect for a living room, bedroom, or even a creative workspace. It's unframed, so you can style it your way. So I've got the frames from IKEA, which is little smaller in size than canvas, and I asked my husband, who is on duty, adjusting and framing these canvas beautifully. Look at him, how responsibility he is adjusting and doing his duty. Now my living room has just popped up with these lovely frames. Look at that. Next up is this fox tropical leaf plant, which is artificial but looks so realistic. It's got a vibrant green leaves that instantly freshen up any space and it adds that tropical lush vibe. So I will be using it in my living room decor. I'm so glad that I found this on Temu. It's a portable car vacuum, which is a total game changer for quick cleanups. It's lightweight, USB rechargeable and powered by a strong lithium battery. Perfect for tackling dust on your car seat, sofa, floor or even your desktop. The cloth filter is washable inside it and it's reusable, and the compact design makes it super easy to store wherever. Whether you are on the go or cleaning up your home, this little tool gets the job done. These aromatherapy air freshener refills are of such a great use. There's 10 solid deodorizer tablets. I've gotten lavender plus extra shells for swapping. So I'm placing it and using it in the toilet, but they can be perfect for every corner of your space like car, bathroom, bedroom, wardrobe, or anywhere. Next, I got this adorable borosilicate glass. It's got that cute bow design. It's got bamboo lid, reusable straw with the cleaner. I bought a bunch of kitchen stuff too, like this crinkle cutter. The metal looks so solid. Next up is the silicone spatula set of 3 for cooking and baking. Next up are these 12 pieces glass straws of straight and bent shapes and 2 straw cleaners with the set. If you find this video interesting and if you liked my vibe, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button.